Hi, in this tutorial I show you how to draw palm tree. Choose Rectangle tool, click once on the screen. "30 pixels and 50 pixels high." Click OK. Choose brown fill color. Go to Effect, Stylize, Round Corners. 6 pixels radius. Click OK. Go to Effect, Warp, Arc. Check Preview and go to -6 horizontal and click OK. Go to Object, Expand Appearance. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. Scale 105 horizontal. Move -2 horizontal and 45 vertical. Rotate -5 degrees. Check Preview and make 7 copies. That's okay. Go to Object, Expand Appearance. Choose Rotate tool, double click and rotate 30 degrees. Our palm tree trunk is ready. Now it's time for leaves. Choose Line Segment tool and draw a line about 100 pixels. Hold Shift. Zoom a little. Choose light green stroke color. Change profile to this one, white profile 1. Go to Effect, choose Warp and Inflate. $100. Preview. Okay. Now go to Effect, Warp again and choose Arc. Check Preview and Vertical and choose about 20. Okay. Last one effect. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform and choose Twist. Set -15 and click OK. Make a copy, edit copy, edit, paste in back and change size to 50. Change color to dark and green. Select all leaves and go to Object, Expand Appearance. change color of this one. It's okay for now. Select all, choose Shape Builder tool, select dark green, and click here. Leaf is almost ready. Now choose Line Segment tool and draw few lines here, 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 and here. Select all lines . Change color to black, stroke I think maybe 3, and width profile 4. Maybe stroke 5. This one rotate. Okay. Select 3 of them. Go to Effect, Warp, Arc, Vertical 20. Click OK. Now this 3. Go to Effect, Warp, Arc, -20. OK. Rotate and move to choose your best position. Change size if you want. Select all black elements. Go to Object, Expand Appearance. Select one part of the leaf and black elements. Go to Pathfinder and click -front. Do the same with another part of leaf. Select Pathfinder -front. Select 2 parts of the leaf. Right-click your mouse. Arrange, send to back, and stroke black. Here, select round join. OK. Select all, click Object, Expand. OK. Right-click your mouse, select Group. Now we draw some coconuts. Go to Ellipse tool, hold Shift to make perfect circle. change its color to brown, stroke black, select, go to Object, Expand, and click OK. Choose Direct Selection tool, select Fill of the coconuts, make a copy, edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Right-click your mouse and choose Isolate Selected Path. Make a copy holding Alt. Here. Select all, go to Pathfinder and click -front. Change color to darken. Now choose Ellipse tool and draw ellipse. Rotate it and change color to lighter. Back to layer. Select all and copy holding Alt. Change size. Make one more copy with Alt. This big one, send to back. Right-click your mouse, arrange, send to back. It's okay now. Select all, right-click your mouse, group. Copy and rotate leaves. Copy with Alt, hold Alt and move, rotate. Select all, rotate, right-click your mouse, transform, reflect, vertical, click copy. Select all leaves, rotate, it's okay. Now place your coconuts. Here. Change size to leaves. Make it bigger. Coconuts may be smaller. Select all, right-click your mouse, choose group. Select all, Right-click your mouse, transform, reflect, vertical and copy. Change size and place here. Rotate. Right-click your mouse, arrange, send to back. Rotate this one too. It's nice. Our palm tree is finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like a video. If you like my work, please support me via PayPal. Link you can find in comments.